Welcome back. It is spring 2021 and I haven't uploaded for a while, but it was for your own good. It's been just another winter of harvesting trees for the cabin, so a lot of repetitive work. I cut the tree, peel the bark, stack it, and start again. And since episode 1 of this series was harvesting the trees, I didn't want to be too repetitive. But I did want to make point of a few things that I did learn this year. One of them was I started using a spade to peel the bark. I just took an old-fashioned regular spade and sharpened the edge of it with a file or just a stone you would use to sharpen an axe. And that allowed me to peel the bark from a standing position, which was easier on the back and way quicker. The other thing that I built this winter was a leverage device that allowed me to pull the tree back and out. So sometimes when I am working in a new area, like I'm selectively harvesting in the forest, so I'll harvest a few trees and then I'll move to a new area. And when you move to a new area, there's not much room for the tree to fall. And so it gets hung up in the canopy, and it's all that weight of the trees digging down to the soil or into the snow or ice. And so this device allowed me to strap onto the bottom of it and then pull it back while pulling it up, which helped slide that tree out. So that was useful as well. Other than that, it was just another winter of just a lot of physical activity, physical exercise. I had some friends help me, and Caitlin, of course, was out here helping me. So just a great way to spend the winter and get out and get some fresh air. And but I'm happy now that that job is done. Altogether, we harvested 160 trees between 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Some of those trees are skinny, so we won't use them for the cabin, but we'll use them for furniture and other pieces for projects that we do. That was a crazy sight, just seeing that massive tree just going right for me. But I knew there was a tree protecting me and it wasn't going to hit me, and I just got to sit under a tree as it collapsed. When I built this ladder, I had an alternative plan for it. I wanted to use it as a leverage device to help me get down hung up trees. And I'm going to give this a try now, the first time, see if it works. That tree started here, stump is here, it fell into the dirt here, and I dragged it all this way to there. Whew. So now it's time to build the cabin, which last year we built the platform. This year we build the walls. And so it's going to be an exciting summer of cabin building. For those of you that are new to the channel, I hope you enjoy what you see. And for those of you that are been following along since the beginning, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support and consistent viewing and comments. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy what's coming. I think it's going to be a good season.